DisneySea at Christmas is one of the busiest times of the year, and we're going to try to do it all in one day. Rides, enjoying the Christmas atmosphere, and a limited time Christmas stamp rally that ends in December. We're going to use DPA, and to give ourselves the best shot, we're heading early to the park by taking the train to Maihama, then the Disney monorail to join the morning crowds to try to get that DPA right at opening. We just got into DisneySea! We got here at 7:20 something. And the gate opened by 8:30, so we are in, and it's not even 9 a.m. and we're on our way. We're like rushing all the way back to try to get to Fantasy Springs first. Oh, it's so cold. They have this really interesting security system. Like, you just stand in between these two like tall security gates of some sort, and a woman just decides if you're gonna go through extra security or not. So we both got lucky and just got waved through, so that wasn't a problem at all. I think we and everyone else are rushing to Fantasy Springs. Look, it's Peter Pan in the rocks! And that's Rapunzel! Okay, first things first. The second we got into the park, Tom got us tickets to...
And then also Frozen.
Yeah, which we got that one on Premier Pass.
12:30, so the first two spots were already gone.
What was that, like 2,000 yen?
Yes.
To get the Premier Pass for it was 2,000 yen. And then there's a 40th anniversary, 2,000 each. And then there's a 45th anniversary standby ticket. So we got the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea for $10.45, and that was free. Yeah. So now we're in line to go on the Rapunzel ride, which they said is half an hour, but we're really moving, so hopefully it'll be faster. Yeah. So
but this is Peter Pan and Sindbad's Adventure and Journey to the Center of the Earth.
Yes, those are like the rides we really want to ride. And then unfortunately Indiana Jones is closed today, so that's just like not gonna happen. But it's literally
Toy Story is like later.
Yeah,
we'll
if we can get on Toy Story, I would ride. I loved that ride in California, but it's literally 9:15.
And we're hoping to have Fantasy Springs done by noon.
Yeah, we'll see.
Should be crazy,
especially with a free ride, or not especially with a paid ride. It's so cute! And the line was really fast. We only had waiting like 15 minutes to get on. So that was awesome. Okay, anyways, we're off to try to run over to Peter Pan to see if we can get on just as quickly. Do you want to try it? It says 80 minutes. It's moving. The line for Peter Pan is so long. We basically exited Fantasy Springs, and now we're waiting on the outside to try to get in. It's saying it's 100 minutes now. We've been here for like an hour. The line wasn't that bad. It said 80 minutes, but it's been an hour. And these are the glasses that they give you for the ride. I don't know what I expected, but that ride was so cute. The Peter Pan, the 3D, it was way better than I thought it would be. That was a great ride. This is our first priority pass one. So we're walking like the speed pass to go down to the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Yes. I don't even know what this ride is about, but it looks like it's a boat.
It's based on a book, Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, about like going underwater and seeing cool stuff.
I'm just excited to be here. Or like a little submarine. Because we're gonna go underwater. It's really bright now that we're out. We've been underground. It was
water 20,000 leagues.
I think it would have made more sense if we understood any Japanese.
Yeah,
but it was
because there was like narration from the captain the whole time.
But we think we were attacked by a kraken and then saved by the mer people. Possibly there were aliens. Don't really know. Great ride though.
We found Atlantis.
Yeah, I'm really happy we got to ride that one without lining up. And we have another one. We're gonna go to see Elsa.
Yes,
right? That's our follow-up plan. We have like 2 back-to-back. This pass we got for free with the 40th anniversary party pass, but the other one we paid for.
Elsa was the very first one we booked.
Yeah, that we really want, we really want to ride it. And the line now is like 180 minutes to get on it. So we're gonna get over there and get on the ride. The lineup for the popcorn here is so long. It winds around and then comes back. But this is the caramel popcorn line.
We've got a bit of time before we can get into the Frozen Park, so Katrina is trying on a few of the headbands that we've been seeing in the park.
I like it. I like it. And so the prices are pretty good. Like this is 2,400 yen, and this one is 1,900 yen. Like if you were
$22, $18
if you were in the US, this would be so much more. We're going into Arendelle. That must be the line. So we're just gonna try to find the front. But there's Oaken Foods here. Oh, I didn't know you could go into Arendelle. It's just like a washroom and some shops.
Yeah.
Cute, you can see the stores. It's a cartographer. Oh, when you've turned back, you can see the castle. There was a 5-minute line, and there's been a 5-minute line all day long to see Sindbad, so we're gonna check it out. But I've never watched Sindbad.
I kind of know Sindbad's a pirate boy.
Yeah.
I didn't realize he was a boy.
I feel like I'm being a really bad Disney fan. I didn't know what 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea was. I don't know what this is, but there's only a 5-minute line. That's the longest ride that we've been on so far. The best payoff.
Cute.
Yeah, shortest line, longest ride. It was really cute. The animatronics is like olden style. It reminded me of It's a Small World, the ride.
Yes, but there's a lot of them. They've got like the giant bird, they've got the whale.
The storytelling is actually really good.
You want to go watch the show.
Yes, I don't know what Sindbad is about, but now I should go watch it. It's a great ride, actually. I really liked it. This is standby. We gotta go to the other line, I think. This one. All right, we're in line now for Journey to the Center of the Earth, and I gotta say, I feel really lucky that we got that priority access pass. And the line right now is a 200-minute wait. So there's a line for us, but it's way shorter. So I'm excited. I'm excited about this one. You gotta secure your bags on this one. Oh my god, that was the best ride so far.
Yes.
I didn't see it coming at all. I didn't read a description of this ride, so I thought it was just gonna be like, yeah, we're just gonna look at rocks and monsters, and like.
And we did.
And then we did, and then there's like the dragon, and then you turn, and then it just drops. It was awesome.
Very good, very good.
It was worth it. That was the best ride we've ridden all day. Unravel hidden clues and discover secrets of the fortress.
Find one of these stations. Start by solving the mystery located on the map. Leonardo da Vinci.
Okay, we're looking for a box with a red handle.
Red box.
A red box. Okay, we found the door and we're gonna push these buttons. I'll push one, you push the other. Where does it light up? Oh, yellow. We've been doing the Leonardo challenge. Tom loves puzzles, so this is Tom has really taken the lead on this one. I'll be honest, I figured out like one of the clues. We were able to see the Christmas hello so easily because we were already in the castle during the puzzle.
Great view.
It was such a good view. It was really cute. All the songs were in English, and I always like wanted to go to a Christmas Disney, so it was perfect.
Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! いい子にしてたかな?
Multiple Leonardo clue puzzles, but ours has led us here to see who our Leonardo is.
諸君は溶岩コントロールステーションを見つけ出した。この実験室では薬品を使い溶岩を冷やしているのじゃ。
Oh, a little crest!
A little off center, but that's okay.
You did it! We came to America Town and I got these little hair clips. Yes, it truly, the home of consumerism. I got these mini ears. I really wanted them. I've been seeing people with them all day. And honestly, I didn't need them at all, but they're adorable. So I had read online that you can do a stamp rally. So we bought these one-day tickets to the monorail. And then we went and asked somebody for the stamp cards. He gave us the stamp cards, which have all the instructions, and then he gave us some stickers for the holidays. Anyways, we're gonna go do the monorail line, ride it around because it's only 4 stops, and also try to get some food before we go back to DisneySea for the fireworks tonight.
Oh, it's coming together.
Okay, it's slowly coming together.
Gotta do it.
It's a face! He's coming together! Unfortunately, Tom's didn't, I don't know, he got a really unlucky stamp.
No,
So mine is clean, but his
my
isn't.
Mickey has an astigmatism. That's why the lights are so bright and shiny.
He's still very handsome. We're just getting our last one, and Mickey's gonna be complete. No! He's perfect! So after some sleuthing, we learned that the first floor has a food court, so we're at the food court now. And we got some udon. Tom got some curry udon, and I got like a plain udon with beef, and it's been great. It's really nice just to sit down. We were both just talking about how tired we are. Like, we've done a lot today. Although I think that we would not have been able to do as much if we weren't willing to buy the premier passes. Like two of the passes that we got for free, those were great, but the really good rides we did have to pay for the passes for. Otherwise, I think we would just be so tired by now. And I'm already tired now.
We're back in the park, but in unfortunate bad news, it's been really, really windy, and they canceled both the shows for tonight. So they canceled Believe, and then they canceled the fireworks just because it's way too windy. But Tom is checking. I was gonna say, like, well, we should check if there's any like short lines, and Toy Story is still at 100 minutes. So I think we might call it and just head home. But it's been a really great day.
It's been a fantastic
It's not a big deal that it's windy. There's nothing that we could do. It's been a really, really great day at Disney. Still, I want to say I think this is the best Disneyland I've ever been to. It's different than all the other Disneylands. It's really great. It's something else.